And it is wrong. You may want to play the victim right now, but he was one of those that made statements to people hearing. He don't know why Valerie not killing Leroy. So that in itself is very hard right now, and that we really do need the police to intervene in this. So that's why we're seeking your help. We need him to see where Barry or Eric Ford is, because he knows.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Look on that boy. You see that boy? I want the police them in a St. Lucia. Go for that pussy. You see this boy is aiding and abetting a fucking criminal. And listen, I'm asking Mr. Guard and Mr. Chevron to go and get this guy. He's harboring a notorious murderer. He's harboring a family killer. He's harboring a notorious robber who goes to St. Martin and rob. And you see, just because of that, you're one bottom feeder, my youth. Countryman tell you that. Let's go.
Countryman channel, the biggest YouTube channel govern the world, worldwide. Countryman, some of them boys are them are some bottom feeder. Them are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder. You are dead grass clad, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass your front up, look less of your seaweed. We no smoke with fish, this are no seaweed. How man touch them up, free weed. How man feel of us to shit the real leader from body them ban. Harrier breed them no in a mile lane. Check it as you see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them are some bottom feeder. You are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder.
Now you see that boy, yeah? Him a family killer. And I want to ask your mother something. Now, your mother, as she me a talk to. Your brother kill your next blood clot brother. And then your pussy old son have the killer hide in him house and give the killer all the electric bike. You understand? Him wait till 3 a.m. in the morning when police there, you know. What kind of family you is? You have some crab in a barrel. You see you, the mother, use a big pussy. You understand? And a mothers like you, why St. Lucia and Bumbleclad Jamaica is the way it is. Me not care, me I go hard upon you. Now, I am gonna play a clip from some intel that I get. And you're gonna hear from the people them on the ground what's going on. And I hope Mr. God and Mr. Sharon, the inspector, is listening to this, because it is incredible and it doesn't make no sense. So sit back and listen to this.
Yes, Countryman. Lynwin is a nephew of Leroy Ford. And Lynwin is one of the nephews that never liked Leroy. So everything Barry did, which is Eric Ford, his brother, that murdered him, was okay. And the day in question that Leroy got killed, slaughtered and butchered, while the family was in grief, suffering, police on the scene, Valerie, which is Eric Ford, was in the house of Lynwin. And he stayed there through everything until he was seen after 3 in the morning leaving with Lynwin Ford electric bike or bicycle. Okay? Now, that personally should make him a person of interest. And it is wrong. He may well be the victim right now, but he was one of those that made statements to people hearing. He don't know why Barry not killing Leroy. So that in itself is very hard right now, and that we really do need the police to intervene in this. So that's why we're seeking your help. We need him to see where Barry or Eric Ford is, because he knows.
Now look at the screen in front of you. It says right there the Ford family is crab in a barrel. And when I go through this case, it is even worse than crab in a barrel. I don't even know, I don't have a word to express how these guys are. But one thing I am appealing to is Mr. Inspector Sharon. I am bringing you this case on a platter, live and direct, where you can go in and get that guy, the nephew, Lynwin Ford, because he is the major aiding and abetting. You hear from what the intel said that he was the one who pushed the uncle to kill his next uncle, and he was the one who hit him, and the whole family know. I don't know if the mother is alive or the father, but I am quite sure if they're dead, they will be spinning in a them grave. For no say, this is how the family turned out. Now, the sister, which is the black ugly boy mother, she is a real douchebag. You understand? Because how can you have your son I do them thing there and you know say I do it and you not run out on him? You is a major douchebag. And me I go get your name, because I know your name, you know, but me I go do a little video upon you. You is a real cesspool of a woman. You understand? A real low life. And Mr. Sharon, when you go and get the nephew, you should go and get the mother, his mother too. Because she is also behind this whole thing. And it doesn't make sense. It seems like people don't want to talk about their differences, and if I am doing better than you, I want to kill you for your stuff because I am just envious and grudgeful. Mr. Sharon, here's the case. Me lay it out for you, and I'm presenting it to you, and I'm also appealing to the Commissioner of Police, which is Mr. Guard, because you guys a fantastic job. So we just grab 50 kilo off a little man. I have him picture, I know who him is, but I just haven't talked about it. But yeah, so Mr. Guard, because I know you all listen to me, and I know you all follow up on some of the tips them that I drop through this vlog. This one here is very close, like the Riley situation, so I'm asking you please go down on Lynwin Ford and go to his mother too and get their phones and get all the info, and believe me, you will see what I'm talking. If you go and wanna do the right investigation, people wants to talk and people have already spoken to some police, but it seems like they're dragging their feet. So I just present this case on a platter. So wanna go and just like Lance Brown, so-called bottom feeder pimp who stab up the girl in the hotel and kill her and stab up her friend. I want you to look into this and go for Mr. Lynwin Ford. Him kill him uncle. Well, him make one uncle kill the next uncle over nothing, and we can't make this go so. Now me have more info coming up on them pussy here. So I want you to stay tuned. But for now, me a go stop right so. And this is what me a go say. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.